This is
Alright.
how stupid
So is this new app? Ah, there was an update, new weekly update, Ryan. It started
weekly update.
yesterday.
How about with someone showdown?
New
Because we playing
override
that.
saved outfits.
Someone showdown, please. We don't have that much time. We
Okay,
have two.
shall we?
We
Shall we
have
begin?
20
Oh,
seconds and
18
9.
seconds. Dress to impress. The theme is dress to impress. Alright, let's play another thing. Maybe Summer
Style
Showdown?
showdown.
Style Showdown? Okay, let's go. Style.
Summer showdown. Summer
Teleport.
showdown. Call.
I don't see Summer
I mean,
Showdown. I see
bro.
Style Showdown.
Just go to summer showdown. Style showdown means summer showdown too.
Okay, Style Showdown, right?
Call it summer showdown because
Ryan, why did we say about not getting angry?
it's a new update. It's a new update, bro. New update means say new words. Style
Okay, I'm
showdown.
here.
Or
Do you see me?
Lana.
Shall we get
Or
in?
Lana will.
Shall we
Yes.
get
Or
in?
Lana.
Oh,
If you don't call it summer showdown,
let's go.
Lana will eliminate you from summer showdown. If you don't call
Okay.
it summer showdown, to style. If you don't call style showdown, if you don't call say summer showdown, Lana will eliminate you forever. And Lana, you hate you for your entire life.
Why should I be eliminated? I didn't do anything wrong.
Because you need to say summer showdown. If you don't say style showdown, you're gonna be eliminated. Because that's new update thing. Lana say summer showdown, so just say summer showdown so Lana doesn't get angry at you and cause you to elimination.
Okay, shall we
Papa,
begin? Waiting for
yeah,
all players.
Papa, I'm so close to Honda now. I'm already arrived to Honda.
Ah, you gotta go down. Ah, it started, right? Welcome to
Uh,
Style Showdown. I don't hear anything.
Welcome to Summer Showdown. Say Summer Showdown.
Welcome to Summer Showdown. I don't hear anything, but
Welcome
it's
to
okay.
Style Showdown,
I
the
hear her.
hottest event of the summer. My name is Lana, and I'll be your
Lana, say
host.
Summer Showdown, bro. It says Summer
In this cutting-edge
Showdown, not
game of
Style
fashion survival,
Showdown.
you'll be
It's
playing
okay.
against the fiercest competitors to flaunt
Are
your
you
styling abilities
one
or
of the fiercest
challenges.
competitors?
To find your style with easy
To flaunt your
challenges.
style and abilities through challenges.
The round theme is
The round theme is.
At the
And
beach.
what?
At the
I know
beach.
it. But please, the challenge is not going to be red light, green light.
Okay. At the beach.
Oh,
Limited items. What is limited
Papa,
items? What is this?
limited items means on top of your head there's going to be say 7 items that means you can wear only 7 items. Your hair
Okay.
counts as item, your face doesn't count, but your nails doesn't count too.
Mm,
Papa, I already
hold on.
what is
Um,
your item limit? What is your item limit?
I don't
What is your
see. 7. Limited item 7. I see it.
Oh my god, we're in danger because how do we wear shoes? Like I don't even finish base.
Okay. 10.
Base let me I didn't worry I just almost did it.
Mm, this.
Now let's go to do our hair. I
Mm,
think I need to do the basic hair as yours too. The basic hair as yours. Let me do this hair. Oh my god. Oh my god.
okay. Some slippers or flip-flops.
How about just put the flip flops? The slippers.
Ah, coconut. It is a must. And where are the slippers, Ryan? I don't see them. Where are the flip-flops? Ryan, do you see? Where do they leave the flip-flops? I don't see them anymore.
Just be quiet,
Ryan, I don't see the flip-flops anymore. Uh, maybe. Okay. I don't have a face.
Papa, did you
Okay.
put on a hat too? Wear a
Yeah.
hat.
But I can't
This
find
hot.
the flip-flops, Ryan. Where do they leave them?
Papa, follow me, follow me,
Where are
follow
they?
me. Oh my god. Just
Where?
follow me, bro. Follow me.
Where?
Follow me to the shoe section. The flip
Ah,
flops are up there.
okay, I
So
see
then,
them.
you just copied my look, bro. We look the same.
Let me see.
Yeah. We look the
Oh,
famous.
oh, time is up. This is too short. Okay, Ryan, you're gonna vote for me, yeah? Don't forget.
Oh my god,
I
I voted
forgot
for
the
this girl.
glasses. Oh, what a shame.
Oh, I didn't got the class too. I
Yeah,
didn't
because
think
it's so
about
hot.
that. I didn't think about that, bro. I'm so weird. I didn't think about that. Are you kidding me, bro?
Who's
Show
this?
me up that I'm voting this girl too. She's so.
We
How about I
all
think
look
that's your.
similar.
How about I think your hair looked the same,
Yeah,
like that girl. She used
maybe
that
she's
hair some
Latina, or.
Latino.
Hmm. Oh, look, Ryan, this pose. Did you see the pose?
Oh my god, look at me. That's me, Papa. That's me. You
Is
want
this
this
you?
swimsuit? Yes.
I don't see your name tag. They're not showing it,
Bro,
so remind me.
they, that's me, the blue
I
swimsuit
think
that I
I
came.
think they don't show the name tag on purpose. So we
They don't, they don't show it, Papa, on purpose. Yes, you're correct. I'm the blue swimsuit girl.
so I will be fair and square. I won't vote
Now
for
that
you.
you've all
I will.
strutted down the catwalk, it's time to
Vote the
vote for your three
swimsuit
favorite
girl, please.
outfits.
Vote every single blue girl.
Remember,
Vote every single
contestants' outfits who are
swimsuit
voted the
blue girl
least will
only
be at
so you
risk for
can know.
elimination.
You do
Papa, if
recognize me,
we.
right? Okay, Ryan, which one are you?
I'm the blue girl. I'm the blue
Oh,
girl. Not in. I'm right over here. The last girl right over
okay,
here.
I see her. Okay, one for Ryan. Vote for me, Ryan, quickly.
I already voted for you.
If I
I
ever get, okay, I like this one.
Papa, did you vote the brown? Papa, I'm the
Ah, maybe
last
this one looks
person.
better. Okay.
I'm the last one with the
Okay,
person. And
three, Ryan, you can vote for three. Did you vote for
three
three?
favorite,
The
three
votes are
favorite
in.
outfits.
Mm.
Congratulations! Your
Shit,
outfits
your
dared to
outfits there
impress.
to
You
press.
lived to
You
see
will live
another
to see
round.
another
Oh,
round.
I am safe.
Unfortunately, someone will
Ryan,
be
you're
going
in
home today.
danger.
I'm not in
Your outfits
danger.
didn't wow us. You're on the
I'm
Ryan,
not in
chopping
danger.
block.
your
Papa,
outfit.
I'm not in danger. I'm not in.
How
She got
can you?
eliminated.
Pack your floaties
That's
and
not
wave
me, Papa.
goodbye.
That's not me. That's not me, Papa. That's not me.
Ah! She's screaming.
That's not me,
Where do
bro.
they send her, Ryan? Where do they send her?
They sent her to.
Hell?
Papa, no, they sent her to hell.
Yeah, it's.
Papa, we have the same face idea, bro. Is that you? Is that you? Is that?
The round theme
Oh, I
This
is
is
thought
me.
that girl
I'm
was
jumping.
you. I thought that girl was you because they have the same faces as you.
Toxic? Where is it? I didn't read. Wait, hold on.
It's the
Where is it?
challenge.
Toxic what? I didn't read.
Uh, uh,
Ah, toxic wasteland.
Papa,
Red
the
light,
challenge
green
is
light.
yes, you cannot move on red light, but
Toxic,
you can move on green
toxic,
light.
toxic wasteland. Something toxic, dangerous.
Like
red
I'm not
light.
gonna use red light.
Red light.
I got shot.
Don't move.
I got shot. I got shot, but I didn't die. I didn't got
Really?
Green
eliminated
light.
too.
Green light.
When he
Okay.
died, I just
Something
fell. I
toxic,
just
Ryan.
fell on
Something
the
toxic
floor.
is should be green or greenish.
No, you just scratched me with your own nail. It's you scratched
Toxic.
me with your own nail. Papa,
Um.
Boy just
Red
slapped me
light.
with my own
Okay,
nail.
red, Ryan.
I did it. I just only do my hair,
Green
my
light.
face, and my
Green
sticker,
light.
and my face
Okay.
too.
Something
Like
toxic, dangerous. Toxic wasteland. Okay, what else? Uh,
Red light.
I didn't did my juice,
freeze.
bro.
Green light.
Let's just say we're gonna do this basic. With that, I'm gonna do some bracelets. Let's do bracelets.
Oh, Ryan,
Bracelet.
I think I'm changing the color of these boots. They look terrible.
Bracelets.
Toxic wasteland.
Red
Toxic.
light.
I didn't even finish anything yet. After that, I
Green
finished
light.
my shoes and my shirt and my bracelet
Oh,
and my
Ryan, what
hair
should
and my
I wear?
sticker.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Where are the tops? Where can I find the tops? I don't know what to
Well,
wear.
you don't understand anything about Summer Showdown. Let me
Okay,
show you it. Just show me you. Show me. Where are
Red
you?
light.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh
Green
my
light.
god. Let's just
maybe
do
patterns. Is
this.
there a pattern that shows danger, Ryan, or toxic? Something toxic?
Something toxic.
I am looking for a pattern.
This is giving some toxic. Oh, this is giving some
Red light.
kind of cool vibes. This is not moving good.
Green
Come
light.
on, come on. Come on, not me, please. You need some toxic.
Something toxic.
Ooh,
I don't see anything toxic. Something
I see
dangerous.
every.
You
I
see
wish I
toxic,
we could.
it's choosing green. Okay, I'm choosing green too.
I'm choosing some
Red
blue
light.
me.
Oh,
Have I
time is
choose?
up. Oh, that was Ryan. I'm the first one because I'm the worst. Okay,
Why is
vote for
your
me.
hair? I cannot vote on the road way. We can only vote on the elimination stage.
Okay, toxic. Yeah, I knew in the beginning I put some green colors, but they looked really weird. Okay, this one is
How
doing
about
good.
there's not enough people in the server.
Hmm. Do you think we're gonna
That
lose?
how about that's me, bro. That's me.
You don't
That's me.
look
Like my
toxic at all. You don't look like toxic wasteland.
just vote me, bro.
No, I gotta be fair and square.
Hey, vote me. You're being so mean to your own bestie. I'm gonna friend you if you do that. I'm
Ryan, what
never
did
gonna
we
be.
say about not threatening?
I'm never gonna forgive you
Okay,
after that.
okay, vote. I'm voting for you too.
Vote me too. I'm right
I'm voting
next
for
to
you.
you.
Yeah,
I
I
vote.
see you. Okay, one for Ryan.
Let me
Okay,
vote
I
the
think the
black
best
girl.
one is. Okay, this one looks better. Ah, I
How
can
about
only vote for one person. Ryan, did you
it's
vote for
one?
me?
Yes, I vote.
Okay.
We vote one at the same time. Or these. How about they have green? Are we gonna be eliminated? Please, not me. We don't have enough
The
people.
votes are in.
And
Unfortunately,
congrats,
someone will be going home today.
people today.
Your
Yeah,
outfit didn't
thanks
wow
for the
us. You're on
wellness.
the
We're
chopping
on the
block.
chopping
Oh,
block.
all of us. All of
Not
us, we
me,
didn't
Since
do
please.
well.
contestants already voted, I'll be deciding on who
Voted.
gets
I'm
eliminated.
deciding who gets eliminated.
The player we are choosing to eliminate
Eliminated
is
is.
Please not me. Please not me. Please not
Please tell me.
me.
Oh, it's the back girl.
click the
Hello.
floaties
Yeah.
and wave goodbye.
Bye
Goodbye. See
bye.
ya.
See you. Because I didn't vote the back girls. I only vote the. Papa, I think it's one elimination. It's
Okay.
one star. Is it the grand finale time? Is
Okay,
it the
next
grand
round. We
finale?
wait
Is it
intermission.
grand finale time? Or is it finale?
There are three, just the three of us, right?
Oh,
Welcome all
what
to
is
the
it?
grand finale of
It's
Summer
the
Oh, the
summer
grand
Showdown.
showdown.
finale. Okay, how to do, Ryan? I don't remember that dance.
It's time to
No,
count
we
the
don't need a
finalist style
dance. This is
stars,
the
which they've been
winners. That's
earning throughout
this.
the rounds.
Oh my God,
I
it's
pose.
you.
Let me pose.
The player
How
with
could
the
you
third most
play?
style stars is
Is yeah, that's me.
And
Please,
now, the moment you've all been waiting
what we're
for.
waiting for.
The winner of Summer
Summer
Showdown
Showdown
is
is.
Eh, Papa, I won! First
How about
time in
now?
my...
Papa, you already got a new item. You're gonna get a new item. Let me show you what the item
Ryan,
looks
this is
like.
the first time I win. First
What
time
did you
ever.
what did you get? Did you get a hair piece? Did you get a hair
I
piece? Or
got
did you got
something. I got something, but I was too happy to see what it was. Wait,
is
let
it
me check.
gloves?
No, I got
Goldie
something. Where do we see? Hold on a second, Ryan.
good normal dress to impress Papa.
Ah, so I leave this server, right?
Join normal dress to
Okay,
impress.
regular.
Yeah.
Regular
Right.
server. Yes.
Papa, I think this guy copied your skin tone and and your face. You like this face before, and you like your skin tone. Oh, I see you. And follow me to the dressing booths.
Where?
Hey, not there. Follow me.
Here?
Follow me.
Ah, here,
No, that's
right?
the skin tone booth.
Here.
Yeah. Now you go to the grand. Papa, this girl's in the dressing rooms.
Ah,
And now you
yes.
just.
I see.
What did you get? Click the item.
This
Select
one,
the item.
Ryan.
So
I think I got this one.
yes, that's the thing that you got. A
Yeah,
crown.
a
A
crown. So
slave
I'm a
crown.
queen.
Yeah, you're a queen now. Now let me show you what did I got. Happen, this is what the dress looks like in Summer Showdown. And this is what the gloves look like in Summer Showdown. This is what the crown looks like. Here in the
Ah,
Grand
okay.
Builder.
So many people got that crown. It is not that special. I want something special. And I already got this one. Did I get it before?
Happen, you
I
want the
got a lot of
gloves?
things, a lot of things. Okay, I'll show you everything I got. This
What?
one.
Papa, that's that you got from the Batty Pass. That's what you from Summer Showdown.
Okay, I don't
That's what
remember. Yeah, that from the baddie pass, I think. Okay, anyways, Ryan. Now I gotta
that
go
was
because I have to prepare some lessons. Then we'll talk later.
goodbye.
See you, bestie. Goodbye.
See
I'm gonna
you.
share the link with you, okay, once it's
Yes, I
finished.
will now.